Hey everybody, what's going on? Welcome back to another video from JM Motors Unlimited. Today I'm going to be working on painting the wheels for the rims for my 185S project bike that I got a few months ago. I got the front one painted in a video a while back, and I got these old knobbies on here off of one of them parts bikes so I could get my rims painted for this one and not have to have the bike down, which the bike's down anyway because I gotta pull the rotor on it. But today I'm going to be pulling these wheels apart and getting them all sanded down and painted. And I'm not sure how much I'm going to get done because it's getting dark. But I'm going to get as much done as I can. Try to get them painted inside and out today. I have some of the factory color, like metallic silver paint for them. It's this color that I painted these. But those are all chipping. But the front one hasn't started chipping yet, so I'm going to do them like I did the front one. But I got that color to paint them with, and the insides that you can't see, I'm just going to paint flat black because I got a lot of flat black paint. So I'm going to start pulling them apart and getting them sanded down. So my wheels came out good. Got them all 4 painted. Got the rings painted. And I went ahead and sprayed the heads of the bolts. So then whenever I put them on, it won't stick out really bad because they're a completely different color. So now I just got to get some valve stems and get them put back together and sealed. And the best way I found to seal them is not with the factory O-rings. I've never had any luck with that. And the way I do it is just with RTV. But I'm not going to do that in this video. I'm going to make a separate video about it. Maybe next week, I don't know when. But I'm going to make a separate video about putting them together and sealing them and everything. Specifically on how to seal the 2-piece wheels the easiest way, which is the easiest way I found to do it, which is with the RTV. So y'all can go check out that video. It'll probably be, I'll probably make that video next week, so it'll probably be up next week. So y'all can go check that out if y'all want to know how to do that. And that's how I did my bear claws and this front tire and that front tire. And this one I'm changing the chain of sprockets on. I'll get it all apart in here. Gotta get new sprockets. I'm about finished with that. And I'll have to put it all back together. But that's it for today. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And go check out JM Motors Unlimited on Facebook and Instagram too. So thanks for watching.